Hello everyone, this little guy is a light sensor for various projects. I bought this for my ESP32 from AliExpress, and this right here is the sensor, and this is what I bought. It came with these connectors with these little pins, and right now I am going to solder them, and then we will test this on an ESP32 board and see how the light the sensor senses the light here. It says on the listing that this is very sensitive and precise. Now I don't have a different device to measure and compare, so we will just stay with these measurements. So let's go solder these pins and continue with the ESP32 connection. Okay, let's solder one of the legs, and however it solders we can correct it later if it's only one leg. Let's do this quickly. Okay, and this is how it got soldered. Not really straight. Let's fix that. And this is now how it looks. The pins aren't very straight either, so looks like, but with a little persuasion they will straighten up. Anyway, let's solder the rest. And we are done with soldering. Let's take this away. And now I have already uploaded my code on the ESP32, and I'm using a 0.96 inch screen, this little screen here. So this screen and this sensor share the same I2C connections, but they have different addresses, so there won't be any problem. Now this sensor has the name of each pin here, so this 3VO is the 3.3 output, I think, to connect some other devices, probably the screen, so you don't have too many wires. Anyway, right now we are just testing this, so I have already taken the 3.3 from the ESP32 here. I have already connected it to the screen, and you can see the code right now says that there is a whatever this sensor is called, the name of the sensor, 7700, and there's an error because it senses no sensor. So let's, and there's some flickering going on. Anyway, that's only on camera. So where was I? This is the 3.3 and this is the V in. This is the one right here. V in is this one here. So, and now we need ground. Ground is this white one, and I have already created connection here. I have already given the ground to screen since it is working, and ground is the third one. And now we need this is the blue one is SDA, and we connect SDA with SDA, and SCL with SCL, and this is it. So now there's a ball of solder here. Let me remove that. Okay, we have connected the sensor, but it still says error, so we just press the reset button on the ESP32 and it should start right away. Perfect. So this is the lux, the sensor senses, the lux or lux, whatever you call it, is the measurement of light intensity, I think. So right now we have 647. Let's cover the sensor and see if it changes. And you can see that it dropped to 150, 130. Let's cover it even more. So right now the whole sensor is under my fingers and it says around 7 to 8 lux. Let's what if I add my mobile phone's torch flashlight? Let's see. Right now we are at 650 and it went. I have enabled my flashlight and it went to 870, and if I take it away it goes to 650 like it was before, and it is working like it should. At least we are seeing some fluctuation like it should. I don't have, as I said, professional device to measure in the same position, so we can compare. But I don't know, it works, and I've seen that this sensor is really precise, so I'm gonna take what it says as what it is, I guess. At least it works, the connection is right, and the code is right. So this is it. This would be a nice project for 3D printing, small box, I guess, and leaving a small window so we can test flashlights, or I don't know, having it just tell us the light intensity inside the room. I don't know. So this is it. What if I take it closer to the light so it goes to over a K? We are 1.2. Really nice. I'm satisfied that the code worked and that everything at least is working. So this is it, a short video about this VEML7700 sensor. So I don't know if you guys would like something else for me to test, but this is it. Really simple, and it was a satisfying small project to make. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.